All right, guys, so we are coming to the end of 2 weeks of our shutdown of schools because of the 2019 coronavirus, COVID-19, whatever you want to call it. So we have 2 weeks under our belts. Now, you're probably getting to the point where you're getting a little bit bored. I understand that. I want to give you solutions to get past that. So, number one, Netflix and chill is getting kind of boring. You've done quite a bit of that. You're probably sleeping in late, you're probably staying up late, playing Xbox games, playing PS4 games, whatever. So, let's rise above that. Let's get past that. What I recommend you doing is, number one, manage your time, which will help you manage your life. So, first things first, what I think you should do is make a schedule. Your schedule is something you will need later on in life. If you're in high school, if you're in middle school, if you get into a routine now of a schedule, it'll be a lot easier down the road when you have big time responsibilities and you're trying to manage all that. So, manage your time. Make a schedule. Schedule of when do I get up? What do I do after that? Maybe it's get up, work out, read, study, eat breakfast, whatever that may be. Personally, mine is going to look something like wake up, read, work. And then it's going to change depending on what's going on. But I really enjoy getting up first thing, making some coffee, and then reading. What am I reading? Well, I'm reading different types of stuff. I'm reading books that will help me be a better leader and a better follower. I'm reading things that really stretch your reading ability and make you think about the world as we know it. And I'm reading things just for fun. Reading books that are just plain fun. It's not the same as like your Netflix and chill because you're actively engaging your mind while you're reading. So, make a schedule. Figure out what you want in that schedule, and then follow it. So when you're making that schedule, here's what I would recommend you do. Before you make that, think about where you want to be next year at this time, or 2 years from this time, and then figure out how you're going to get there depending on where you're at right now. If you're saying, I'm in high school, and I want to maybe do something in the accounting realm, or maybe do something in the medical realm. Okay, now that's the place to start. That's the goal. How do we get there? You have a lot of resources. You have the whole web. YouTube alone has so many videos, so many things to learn right at your fingertips. So, here's how to plug that into your schedule. Figure out what you need to know. Start learning. Start watching videos. Start reading different things. If you want to get in the medical realm, there's a lot. There are many different papers that have been written by doctors that will discuss certain topics. So you can wake up, maybe watch a video on one aspect or a certain topic. Then you can eat breakfast, or whatever you do next. Maybe it's work out. And then you can research your topic of choice. What I would do at the very end of all these things is put your recreation / spare time. Because if you put it up here, right at the beginning, you're going to have that recreation spare time end up growing. And all this stuff that should be above here is going to be squashed out of existence. So, manage your time, manage your day by making a schedule and sticking to it. Set your alarm clock. Get up at a certain time. Now, take the weekends off. Take Saturday and Sunday and just throw the schedule out the window. But for right now, manage your time. Make a schedule. Stick to it. Learn something. What I would do if I was you, I would get a skill to learn, a big topic to research, a skill to practice, and then you can have time for free reading or reading on a different topic. So make yourself better, folks. Use this time to not Netflix and chill every day, but use this time to make yourself better. Get a schedule, follow the schedule, manage your time, then you'll be able to manage your life. All right, thanks for watching, folks. I really appreciate you watching this. I appreciate the view. I would suggest that you work hard, because hard work is its own reward, and make yourself better.